Are you tired of bulky blenders taking up all your precious counter space? Do you struggle to find a blender that's not only compact, but also powerful enough to tackle everything from silky smoothies to hearty protein shakes? Look no further! In this video, we're unveiling the top 5 best personal blenders for 2025. These portable powerhouses are designed to make your life easier, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. From innovative features to impressive performance, each blender on this list is guaranteed to level up your blending game. As always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Magic Bullet 11-Piece Blender. The Magic Bullet 11-piece blender set is a versatile kitchen companion that simplifies a wide range of tasks, from blending to chopping. With its 250-watt motor, this compact blender is capable of handling everyday kitchen tasks like making smoothies, grinding coffee beans, or preparing salsa. The 11-piece set includes various cup sizes, lids, and blades, providing everything you need for different recipes. The cups are made from durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safe and long-lasting use. The crossblade is specifically designed for efficient blending and chopping, delivering consistent results every time. Its compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices. The Magic Bullet is incredibly easy to use. Simply load your ingredients, twist on the blade, and press down to blend. Cleaning is just as simple. Rinse the cups and blades or place them in the dishwasher. At an affordable price of around $50, it offers exceptional value for those seeking a multi-purpose blending solution. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie or experimenting with homemade sauces, the Magic Bullet delivers convenience and efficiency in a small package. Number 4. Smeg Personal Blender. The Smeg Personal Blender is a blend of retro aesthetics and cutting-edge technology, designed for those who appreciate both style and functionality in their kitchen appliances. This personal blender features a striking vintage design, available in pastel shades that evoke the charm of the 1950s. Underneath its chic exterior lies a powerful motor capable of blending smoothies, shakes, and even crushing ice. Its 2 included portable bottles allow you to blend directly in the cup and take it with you on the go, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. The bottles are made from BPA-free Triton TM material, ensuring durability and safety. The blender's operation is simple and intuitive, with preset programs for smooth blending and pulse functionality for tougher tasks. Cleaning is effortless, as the blades and bottles are dishwasher safe. Priced at approximately $215, the Smeg Personal Blender is a premium option that offers more than just functionality. It's a statement piece for your countertop. Whether you're blending your morning smoothie or preparing a post-workout shake, this blender combines elegance and efficiency. Number 3. Beautiful by Drew Barrymore. Portable to-go blender 2.0. The Beautiful by Drew Barrymore. Portable to-go Blender 2.0 is a stylish, innovative solution for those who need a blending tool that matches their fast-paced lifestyle. Designed with portability in mind, this blender is cordless and rechargeable, offering up to 30 blends on a single charge. It features a 70-watt motor, which, while compact, is surprisingly powerful, capable of blending smoothies, shakes, and even salad dressings with ease. The BPA-free Triton UEM blending jar has a 16-ounce capacity, making it perfect for single servings. The blending jar is equipped with measurement markings, ensuring precise ingredient measurements for your recipes. The durable stainless steel blade ensures smooth blending every time, even for tougher ingredients like frozen fruits. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or travel. Available in multiple color options, it adds a touch of elegance to your blending routine. Cleaning is hassle-free, as both the blending jar and lid are dishwasher safe. Priced at approximately $48, it is an affordable, practical option for those who want a high-performing portable blender without breaking the bank. Whether you're rushing out the door or relaxing at home, the beautiful portable blender is a reliable companion. Number 2. Beast Mini Blender. The Beast Mini Blender redefines personal blending with its unique combination of compact design and impressive performance. Ideal for health-conscious individuals, it features a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen or workspace. Don't let its size fool you. This mini blender delivers powerful blending capabilities thanks to its advanced blade design and efficient motor. Whether you're blending a quick green smoothie, protein shake, or even a refreshing iced coffee, the Beast Mini handles it all effortlessly. The durable Triton Tomei blending cup is both lightweight and shatter-resistant, ensuring convenience and longevity. The one-touch operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, allowing you to enjoy fresh smoothies on the go. It is also designed with portability in mind, featuring a spill-proof lid and a lightweight body. Cleaning is a breeze, as the components are dishwasher safe. With a price tag of around $99, this blender strikes a perfect balance between affordability and functionality. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or while traveling, the Beast Mini Blender proves to be a dependable choice. Its aesthetic appeal and reliable performance make it a standout option in the world of personal blenders. Number 1. NutriBullet Pro 900 Personal Blender. The NutriBullet Pro 900 Personal Blender is the ultimate companion for those who are serious about their nutrition and blending needs. Equipped with a powerful 900-watt motor, it can effortlessly break down fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds into a silky smooth texture, ensuring you get every nutrient from your ingredients. With its 32-ounce capacity, this blender is perfect for creating single-serve smoothies, protein shakes, and even baby food. Its extractor blade, designed with cyclonic action, ensures thorough blending without leaving any chunks behind. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is not just about power. It is also incredibly easy to use and clean. Simply twist on the blade, blend your ingredients, and rinse everything clean in seconds. The package includes 2 to-go lids and 2 comfort lip rings, making it ideal for an active lifestyle. Available in a variety of stylish colors, such as champagne and teal, it fits perfectly with any kitchen aesthetic. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie or preparing a post-workout shake, this blender is up to the task. The durable BPA-free cups are designed for safety and longevity. Plus, the compact design allows it to fit seamlessly on your countertop without taking up too much space. At an approximate price of $110, it offers a balance of affordability and premium features, making it a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and busy individuals. From blending frozen fruits to crushing ice, the NutriBullet Pro 900 stands out for its efficiency and reliability.